Okay, a very good morning dear students. Welcome to my channel Maths with Mahantisa. Children, in the last class I was discussing different methods of factorizing algebraic expression. Two of the methods had been discussed in detail. What was the first method to factorize an algebraic expression? The first method was by taking HCF as the common factor, by taking highest common factor of the different monomials or terms present in the algebraic expression, how to factorize an algebraic expression. It was the first method. And what was the second method? The second method discussed was how to take binomial as a common factor and factorize the algebraic expression. Now the third and the last method of factorizing algebraic expression is what? What is the third method of factorizing algebraic expression? The third method is your by regrouping terms, okay, by regrouping terms, that means whatever terms are present in the algebraic expression, by regrouping them, how can we factorize, okay? So the third method is, you see, this is the third method, by regrouping terms, okay. See, this is the third method of factorizing algebraic expression. What is that? Let me explain you with the help of one example. Suppose you are given an algebraic expression C, 2ax plus bx plus 2ay plus by. See children, look at such a big algebraic expression. There are four terms. It is clearly a quadrinomial, as there are four terms in this expression. Now see, children, in order to factorize this algebraic expression, which method we will follow? Consider the first one. Can we factorize it by taking HCF as common factor? See, what will be the HCF? If you find, you see, the HCF will be 1. The HCF of all the monomials will be 1. So we cannot follow the first one. Even we cannot follow the second one. Okay, the second method, that is by taking binomial as a common, also we cannot factorize this type of algebraic expression. Then what to do? By regrouping. So what is the meaning of regrouping? By regrouping we mean, see, there are four terms. You can group two terms together. That is, regrouping means you can group any two terms together. Suppose you see, first this term and this term, I will regroup. Suppose 2ax plus 2ay. I brought this term near this one. I made one group. This is one grouping. Okay. Then what is the third term? Third term is bx and this one is by. Okay. So this is one group. This is one group. This is what called your regrouping. Regrouping means arranging the terms or bringing the terms together. Okay, that is called regrouping. Okay, I brought this term near this term and this term near this term. Okay, so I did the regrouping. Now after this is regrouping. After regrouping, what is the next step? The next step is, you see, the next step is you have to take some common out of this group and out of this group. Common, already we have discussed in detail what is common and how to take common. See, out of these two monomials, the common factor will be clearly 2a. So 2a is multiplied by x, 2a is multiplied by y. So 2a will be one common. Now if 2a is taken common, what will be left here? X, and what will be left here? Y. So x plus y. See. So if 2a is taken common out of these two terms or monomials, we will get x plus y. Then plus. Now again you take common out of these two monomials or terms. What will be the common? Here b is multiplied by x and b is also multiplied by y. So b will be taken common. Now take b common. See, if b is taken common, what will be left here? X, and what will be left here? Y. Now see children, mark one thing. By taking 2a common out of these two terms, we got x plus y. By taking b common out of these two terms, we got again x plus y. See, here x plus y is what? It is again a binomial. Now this binomial x plus y is multiplied by which term? B. And in the first term, see, look at the same binomial x plus y is also multiplied by 2a. That means the binomial x plus y is multiplied by 2a and the same binomial x plus y is multiplied by b. So if the same binomial is multiplied to two different terms or three different terms or more than three also, then we can take that binomial as again the common factor. That means this binomial x plus y will be taken again common. Now let us take this binomial common. It will be x plus y. Now if you take x plus y as common, what will be left? 2a. So here 2a will be left, and what will be left here? B, you see. So x plus y into 2a plus b, this is the complete factorization of this quadrinomial or this algebraic expression. So how did we factorize this quadrinomial? By regrouping. I hope you understood. Let me discuss one more example so that you will understand the thing better. See, suppose you are given an algebraic expression like this, say a minus b whole square plus a minus b. Look at. Suppose you are given, no, this one, better do another one. Let us take another example. This will be direct. There will be no regrouping in this particular question. Okay, this will be done directly. We will discuss another question where regrouping of terms will be there. Okay, by regrouping, how will you factorize? Let us discuss another one. Suppose ax plus ay minus bx ax plus, let us consider this ax plus ay minus bx minus your by. See, look at children, this is again a quadrinomial algebraic expression. So you see how to factorize it by regrouping. See, we can regroup these two terms and we can regroup these two terms, ax minus bx, let us this be one group, plus ay minus by, it is another group. See, regrouping. Now you can ask me one question here, sir, without regrouping is it not possible that we can factorize this type of algebraic expression? Yes, it is possible. I will discuss just now after this. You see, first you group ax and bx, it is one grouping or regrouping, then ay minus b, it is another group. Now take common. What will be common here out of these two terms? X, because x is multiplied by a and x is multiplied by b, so it will be x taken common, it will be a minus b. Then out of these two terms, see, a into y minus b into y, so y will be taken common, so it is a minus b. And you see, when we took here x common, whatever we got binomial here, in the second expression when we took common y, the same binomial is coming in the bracket. So now a minus b is multiplied by x and a minus b is multiplied by y here. So we can take again a minus b as the common factor. So take a minus b as common. So what will be left here? X, here it is y. So a minus b into x plus y will be the complete factorization of this quadrinomial. So children, in both the examples what I discussed, in both the cases what I did, I regrouped the terms. Regrouped means rearrangement. I rearranged the terms, means I brought one term near another, I formed one group. I took the one term near the other, I formed another group. Then I took common out of the first group and then out of the second group. Out of the first group, out of the second group, I took common. Then the same binomial came in both. Again the same binomial I took common and I got the final. Okay. So this is the product. Now children, the question is it possible to factorize this type of algebraic expression even without regrouping? Yes, the answer is yes. Let us see how. See, in this case also, here I had done regrouping, and I had factorized. Without regrouping, let us see whether we are getting the same answer or not. See, it is also possible. See children, what will I do? Suppose I will not factorize and I will get this answer. See, I want to get this answer. How? Let us not regroup. Then what to do? Only take this one. Don't rearrange. There is no need to rearrange. Even without rearranging the terms, we can factorize. How? See, this is one, this is another group. Out of this, what will be the common? X. You see, x is multiplied by 2a, x is multiplied by b. We can take x as the common. So what will be left here? 2a. What will be left here? b. Then see, out of these two terms, 2ay plus by, y is multiplied by 2a and y is multiplied by b. So y will be the common of 2ay and by. Okay. So if y is taken common, what will be left? 2a. What will be left here? b. Now see, by taking x we got this binomial, by taking y as common we again got the same binomial, 2a plus y, 2a plus b. Now this 2a plus b can be taken common again. See, by taking 2a plus b, what will be left here? X, and what will be left here? Y. See, did you get the same answer? See, this was the first method. This was the answer obtained in the first step, first method, by regrouping. But this is the same answer we got even without regrouping. So it is possible. It just depends upon our thinking. It depends upon our analysis. Okay, nothing else. Look at the question. Think properly whether it is possible to factorize by taking common factor out of the two terms. then in that case you need not regroup the terms. Even without regrouping it is possible. And if at all you did the regrouping, you took common and found the factorization, then also it is correct, children. Okay, and the same case is also true here. Here you see I have done regrouping. Without regrouping also it is possible. How? Let us take directly. See, now let this be one group, this be another group. Now you take common out of these two. What will be the common? A, because A is multiplied by x and A is multiplied by y. Take A common. So what will be left? X plus y. Then you see minus bx and minus by. What will be the common? See, b will be common, minus b. Minus b will be common here. If minus b is taken common, what will be left? X. And what will be left here? Plus y. You see. So now look at. Again x plus y is multiplied by a and x plus y is multiplied by b in this monomial and this monomial. The same binomial has been multiplied by a and b. So you can take common x plus y. If you take common, what will be left? A, it is minus b. See the first answer and the second answer. A minus b into x plus y, here x plus y into a minus b. Both are same because a into b equal to b into a. You know that. A into b equal to b into a. In the chapter rational number we had discussed. Multiplication of two rational numbers is commutative. That is the commutative law of multiplication. What we had read earlier. So children, this is the third method. This is the third method and the final method to factorize algebraic expression. How it is possible by regrouping of terms. So children, in class 7 we came to know that an algebraic expression can be factorized in three ways. One is by taking HCF of all the monomials or the terms present in the expression as common factor. Second is by taking binomial as a common factor, and the third method is by regrouping of terms. We can also factorize algebraic expression. More about factorization of algebraic expressions will be discussed in class 8, 9 and 10 respectively. There are other methods also by using identities. So many things are there. Okay, so there are so many things which we will read in higher classes. So at present it is enough to know these three methods to factorize an algebraic expression. Children, I hope whatever I discussed regarding the factorization of algebraic expression, it is a very lengthy one. That is why it took me 3 classes to complete. Because my intention is whatever I explain, my children should understand this. My children should understand that, and I am sure the way I am explaining it, you must be understanding. Okay. So if at all it is true, if at all you feel yes, what Manti sir is teaching, the way he is explaining us the concept through different examples, yes, it is very easy and simple and we are able to understand everything, then children, I must say that you please hit the like button and subscribe my channel so that you will get more and more videos and different lessons in the upcoming classes. Okay, so with this we came to the end of the chapter algebraic expressions. Children, as I have already told you, it is not possible to do exercise of all questions in terms of video, because it is possible only, it will be possible only after the completion of all chapters. Okay, so my intention is first I will complete all chapters as per your syllabus. Of course, I am discussing few problems while discussing the concept. I am discussing few problems. More problems from all the exercises will be discussed soon after all chapters are over. You have to wait for till that. Okay. So with this we came to the end of your algebraic expressions. In the next class we will discuss about your linear equation. Linear equation, yes, linear equations in one variable, it is already over. I have discussed this chapter, I remember, in my previous lessons. Yes, we will discuss triangle and its properties. I'm sure that I have completed the chapter. Yes, your linear equation in one variable as per your class 7 syllabus is complete in my previous lessons or previous videos, whatever you say. We will discuss triangle and its properties. Some of the things of this chapter also I had explained earlier, but I will discuss the chapter in detail again, triangle and its properties. Okay, so we are going to start a new chapter in the upcoming class, that is your triangle and its properties, or you can say properties of triangle as per your class 7 syllabus. Okay, CBSE, NCERT, DAV, all the syllabus are same. The syllabi of all different schools are same. So children, I hope whatever I discussed today regarding the factorization of algebraic expression you must have understood. We will discuss the next thing in the next class. Okay, thank you.